Yeah, for sure.
No, I'm not.
For sure.
No, I'm not.
For sure.
Alex, are you set when she leaves?
Sangria.
Yeah. Sangria. Here's a Harlem Shake. Do you want to join us? We're doing the Harlem Shake. Do you want to join us? What do you want? What are you touching? No, we're not doing the Harlem Shake. No, you fucks. What is that? Turn it off. Come on. Whatever's happening, I don't want it to happen now. Alex! So fuck you up. Sarah. Fucking fuck. It's bedtime. Sarah Marie. Alex, play the music. Good God, you guys, you're fucking it up. Can we do this tomorrow? We do the music. Cue the music, Alex. Cue the music. Alex, cue the music. You guys. Guys. Hey guys, me and I'm gonna make your life miserable tomorrow.
Ange.
Can't you show me tomorrow? I'm tired.
No, this is awesome. Hang on. Hang on.
Alex, I'm tired.
I know you are.
I'm waking Sarah up to work out in 5 hours. And by 5, I mean 3.
Ange, wake me up, because I'm coming to work out too.
Wake me up. Guys, wait. Eric wants to see this. Eric doesn't care. No, I don't fucking care either. Allie!
Wow.
Get your fucking man under control.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's all about Allie now.
Every day, Michigan hospitals demonstrate their role as top employers, community leaders.
Get bad.
You're recording on you. Alex, it's not loud enough.
I want to do it.
Casco doesn't know what to do.
There you go.
This one?
This dude. No, it's a full version.
It's ruined totally.
There you go.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yep. Hit record.
It's been
We're
recorded.
Alright, night end.
No, turn my fucking light off.
Hit record. Hit record. Hit record.
We're still recording.
Record, you asshole. It's on Instagram.
Good night, Ange. How do I get back?
Did it record?
How do I get back?
Did we record it?
How do I get
Yeah.
back?
Did we record
How do I
it?
get back?
Did you record
Go to.
that?
Yeah.
It's still
I
recording.
don't think you recorded
It's
that.
still
Yeah, you
recording.
Holy fuck.
Are we good?
Alright, let me see
Yeah,
it.
stop. Press stop.